The Bronco Raptor Black Appearance Package debuts under the solar eclipse. And if you guys saw the solar eclipse today, you guys saw something that was marvelous, a part of history. And so this is the day that Ford decided to reveal the Bronco Raptor Black Appearance Package. Now the Bronco Raptor Black Appearance Package joins the Code Orange package, giving customers another way to experience extreme desert capability with style that only comes with the Bronco badge. And yes, folks, this is unique in every way, and is also sharp. The Bronco Raptor Black Appearance Package made its debut in front of 150 Bronco owners under an appropriately dark sky during the April 8 total solar eclipse. Now, the Black Appearance Package, the new style details come with the same capability that made the Bronco Raptor a Baja 1000 winner. Take a look at some of these. I mean, what a marvelous SUV. This package is just something else. Now, Austin, Texas, today, of course, under dark skies, and in front of all these owners, the Off-Road Texas Ford introduced the 2024 Bronco Raptor Black Appearance Package. A mix of shadow and matte black exterior features. The new option package gives the Bronco Raptor go over any terrain capability, a sinister new look. And boy, does this look sinister. Take a look at this. Vents on the side, vents on the top, fog lamps, and everything about the Bronco, which makes it magnificent and awesome. The skid plates, the rails, the open-air experience is second to none. The Black Appearance Package comes with a striking shadow black painted roof, complemented by the matching mirror caps. Let's take a look at that painted roof, folks. And those matching mirror caps. Looks fantastic. Wow. Boy, does this look clean, and does it look fantastic. This all comes in the same shade to create that striking contrast. With the Raptor's bold catalog, the Bronco Raptor also comes with the matte black steel bumpers and skid plates and tow hooks. Look at those skid plates, folks. Wow. What a view, folks. You see that tow hook in the back? Wow. This actually would go right here, which is just straight up awesome. The plates, the tires, the all-terrain. Beautiful. Now the shadow black painted roll bar is reminiscent of the contrasting and the concept Bronco SUVs and the painted skid plates. This is something significantly, something nice. This is the 6th generation concept, if you remember that. The Bronco SUVs and the painted skid plates. It comes in response to the current Bronco Raptor customers who have painted the skid plates themselves. And Ford took note and did something fantastic, folks. Look at that open air view. Something awesome. Now the unique Raptor body side and hood decals round out the package at $4,995 MSRP, which you can order at the end of April. Now customers choose the Bronco Raptor for two reasons: its high performance off-road capability and its distinctive appearance. And that's according to the brand manager Jason Hyde. Now, the black appearance gives a look that stands out on any trail and under any sky, even a total solar eclipse. And wow, with the 3 headlights and just that color, folks, is awesome. Now, the current Bronco customers got a first look at this today, the Black Appearance package. During an owner-exclusive event at the Bronco Off-Rodeo in Austin, Texas. At appropriately dark time, under the backdrop of the April 8 total solar eclipse. Now, the Black Appearance package follows the vibrant Code Orange package. That was introduced in 2023. Man, front end is something else. With 4 written out on the front, you know this baby is a Raptor. No mistaking it, folks. No mistaking it at all. What a beautiful view. The top view. The drone view. It's cool how you can even see the Bronco logo on the floor of this beautiful Bronco Raptor. Sort of want to take a closer view at this. It's a top view. Let's zoom in. Take a look at this beautiful baby from the top. Wow. The Raptor is seen on the hood, the air vents, the window wipers, the tires. Wow. This is something else, folks. You guys, thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And have a fantastic day. What a marvelous Bronco, folks. And thanks for coming by. AL Creatrix. The Ford Bronco Black Appearance package. This is awesome, folks. Thanks for coming by.